Listed below are annual data for various years. The data are weights, metric tons, of imported lemons and car crash fatality rates per 100,000 population. Construct a scatter plot, find the value of the linear correlation coefficient R, and find the p-value using alpha equal to 0.05. Is there sufficient evidence to conclude that there is a linear correlation between lemon imports and crash fatality rates? Do the results suggest that imported lemons cause car fatalities? The first question is, what are the null and alternative hypotheses? We are going to test whether or not the population correlation coefficient rho is equal to 0 or not. So our selection for our hypotheses will be that null hypothesis, rho equal to 0, alternative hypothesis, rho not equal to 0. We are to construct a scatter plot. So we will click the little rectangle and open the data in StatCrunch. We'll click Graph, Scatter Plot, choose lemon imports for our X variable and crash fatality rate as our Y variable, and then click Compute. Now we have this scatter plot, and we will notice that as lemon imports increase, crash fatality rates decrease. Matching it to one of these graphs here, we will see that it will be the A graph, where we have this negative relationship between X and Y. To find the linear correlation coefficient, we will again open the data in StatCrunch, click Stat, Regression, Simple Linear, again choose lemon imports for X, and crash fatality rate for Y, and click Compute. The result is an output table that gives us the correlation coefficient R here at minus 0.987 if we round to 3 decimal places. We are also to find the test statistic, T. Now that will be for the slope coefficient. So we're testing the slope coefficient. Notice here it says that the alternative hypothesis is not equal to 0. That test statistic is minus 10.622 if we round to 3 decimal places. We are also to find the p-value and round it to 3 decimal places. So we see that rounded to 3 decimal places, the p-value would be 0.002. Because the p-value is less than the significance level 0.05, there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that there is a linear correlation between lemon imports and crash fatality rates for a significance of 0.05. Do the results suggest that imported lemons cause car fatalities? The answer will be D. The results do not suggest any cause-effect relationship between the two variables. This is because causation cannot be proved with a regression analysis.